Hello and welcome to TW White & Sons Mazda. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video and look at our approved used vehicles. What we've got to show you today is a very special car that's just arrived with us. It's 2018 on an 18 plate Mazda MX-5 RF, 2 litre Sport Nav, so it's the engine to have, the slightly more powerful 160 horsepower, and it's got a manual transmission. One owner car, really lovely condition. Finished in Sol Red. As you can see here, the paintwork is just in fabulous order. There's no dents, no scrapes, no scuffs. Very common with MX5, but even sort of better than that, you can just see how well the car has presented itself after just a wash. You can see the reflection in the paint surface there of the grass. It looks wonderful. The car's got a contrasting black leather interior. It's a really lovely, very popular colour combination for an MX-5. Sol red with black leather interior. Looks tremendous. The car's covered less than 15,000 miles. As I mentioned, it's a one-owner vehicle. And the Sport Nav specification includes rear parking sensors, which you can see down there, the slightly larger alloy wheels that you see here, and the retractable metal roof, which is where the RF element of this comes in. Take a step back, this is probably the nicest angle you'll get of an MX-5, this sort of rear three-quarter view. It looks absolutely wonderful. Very striking car. They're great fun to drive. And they look fabulous at every angle. Just take you around the rest of the car just so you can see the condition. Very common with these that they suffer with stone chipping at the front. Not really the case with this car. It's in really lovely order. My guess is it hasn't spent a lot of time on the motorway, hence it's not suffering from the same stone chip issue that a lot of cars do. Let me take you around and show you the roof. So this whole roof comes off. I have done a photo of the roof sort of partially open, but I'll show you it in the video. You just have to have the engine running, start the car up. There's a starter button down here. Just press that the one time, the car comes into life. You'll notice the mileage there at 14,210. The button for the roof is just down here. All you do, press and hold that up, and you'll see this little sort of hook, unhook, roof lifts up and tucks down into that section back there, and then those sort of buttresses come back down. And when you hear that beep, the roof is in place. Just jump out so you can see the car. And then you have that opening. It's a really good looking car, this roof up or roof down. And as you can see, it's a really decent size opening. A little bit more like a T-top almost, because you've still got these sort of buttresses in place here. However, this section is open. So you see there was a window here a few moments ago, but not anymore. I'll show you some of the other specifications. These come really well equipped from the off. There's no bad specification or trim level with an MX-5. In a Sport Nav trim, you get heated seats, twin USB, climate control air conditioning, push button start that I mentioned, the multimedia system that you see here. This does your hands-free telephone for Bluetooth audio streaming and hands-free calls. Your DAB digital radio, along with FM, AM, everything that you'd expect of a modern car. Fully integrated navigation systems. The car's got inbuilt nav, and there's a couple of features in here that you can see. And very important with a Sport Nav, it's the one in the range that offers you the Bose Stereo. So you have these speakers in the headrest here. This is where your hands-free telephone calls come through, so you can hear the voices even when you've got the roof down and you're going a sensible speed. Really nice addition to the car. I mentioned the manual gearbox, so it's a 6-speed, and these are probably the best feature of this car. Very sort of light, short throws, and it's such a nice gearbox to use. Even if you're not a sort of driver who drives hard, you can appreciate just how good the manual gearbox is in this car. Just jump out and turn it off. And that's it. That's our MX-5. Available at TW White & Sons in Bookham. Please feel free to give us a call if you've got any questions. We will be supplying this car with a 12-month parts and labour, Mazda warranty. That is included in the advertised cost of the car. That includes roadside assistance and everything that Mazda warranty offers you. Please feel free to give us a call. We hope to hear from you soon. Cheers then. Bye.